children. I am your Momita ma'am. I hope you all are fit and fine and studying well. Again I am here to take your English class, children. Take out your English book and your English copy and take one pencil and eraser with you. I hope you all are studying, isn't it, children, and practice writing. After school reopening I will check all your copies and books, children. So every day you have to practice ABCD. Okay? So let's start today, children. Open page number 80. No, today we will start from 79. Children, open page number 79. So let's look at the book, children. What is there? Page number 79, children. This is X. X for Xmas tree. X for X-ray. X for xylophone. X for Xerox. So what is this, children? Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. X for X-ray. X for xylophone. X for Xerox. Turn the page. X for Emma bird. So now again you have to trace these lines. Dots are given. You have to trace the line. Like this you have to write. You have to again you have to draw like this. On these dotted lines you have to draw. Then how here you have to write, children? Just see. One line, slanting line, another line. This way you have to write. Okay. Now what is this? See, skill sheet number 24. Say aloud each picture's name and all the names start with letter X. Color the Xmas tree also. So here is a picture of a Xmas tree, children. You have to color this Xmas tree and you have to say the picture's name. What is this? This is Xerox. This is X-ray. This is xylophone. Our next alphabet is, oh, here one more thing is there, children. Circle the letters. Identify the picture and circle the first letter of the picture. Color the picture also. This is vase. You have to color this vase and you have to circle the letter V. This is will. So which alphabet you have to circle? W. W for will. And this is xylophone. You have to circle X and you have to color it. Three more things are there to color and you all love coloring. I know that. So next alphabet is Y. Y for yum. Y for yellow. Y for yum. Y for yogurt. Again, once again, children. Y for yum. Y for yellow. Y for yum. Y for yogurt. Turn the page. Y for you. So how you have to write this small y? On these dots you have to draw the line. On these dots you have to draw the line like this. In this blank space one small line you have to draw and this side you have to draw another line. This way you have to write Y. Okay. Here again skill sheet number 25. Say loud each picture's name and all the names that starts with Y and color the picture also. Something is here. What is this, children? Y for yuck. You have to color this yuck. This one also you have to color and this picture also you have to color. Next alphabet and the last one is Z. Our last alphabet Z. Z for Zinnia, Z for zigzag, Z for zero, Z for zip. Once again, Z for Zinnia, Z for zigzag, Z for zero, Z for zip. And what is this? Zebra crossing. You can see this type of crossings on the road, children. This is called zebra crossing. How you have to write the Z? On these dots you have to draw a straight line, one slanting line, then one line. This way you have to write Z. Okay. Here you have to write like this. You have to start with this red dot. You have to start writing with this red dot. Turn the page. Learn by doing. Match the zoo animals with the pictures that begin with Z. You have to do this matching. Cross the object. Cross the object which does not begin with the given letter. This is tomato. This is yum yum. So which one is starting with Y? You have to cross the object that is not starting with Y. Two objects are here. So one is not starting with Y. So you have to cross that object. This is teddy bear and this is zebra. Which one is starting with Z, children? Z for zebra. So you have to cross this teddy bear. So this much for today, children. We have finished all the alphabets. Today we have learned X, Y and Z. Now children, look at the board with me and let's see how you have to write the capital letter as well as the small letters. I hope you all are ready with your copy. So let's see how we have to write the capital letter and the small letter. Capital X. I am writing capital X. This is small x. This is capital Y and this is small y. This is capital Z and this is small z. Once again children, I am writing this is capital X, this is small x, this is capital Y, this is small y, this is capital Z and this is called small z. This way you have to practice children. So first you have to practice the capital letters A to Z, then you have to do the small letters A to Z. In each line you can write either 4 letters or you can write 5 letters. Okay? So don't write together children. In my last class also I told you, first you have to write the capital letters like A, B, C, D. You have to finish that 4 letters in one page. Then in next page E, F, G, or you can write A, B, C, D, E, E, F, G, H, I like this. Either 4 or 5. According to your convenience you can write. Okay, I have no problem with that. After finishing these capital letters, you have to start the small letters. But don't write both the letters together. Okay, so this is the homework for you children. Write the page numbers. Page number 70, 71, 72, 74, 75, 77 and 78. These are the page numbers children. This is your homework. You have to do these skill sheets are there. Matching, coloring, easy things are there children. You have to do these things. In my next class, I will revise A to Z and then we will do the other skill sheets. Okay children, take care of yourself. God bless you. Bye bye.